Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to reset a password if you're a student in BPS. So for students at Mildred, you're going to need to get an 8-digit code or a verification code from your teacher, and that 8-digit code lets you create an account, and then that account can reset your password anytime you want. So once you have that 8-digit code from your teacher, you're going to go to Clever Backpack, like you see me here. And on Clever Backpack, you're looking for something called the Student Password Reset Tool. And you can see that right here on my screen right now. And you're just going to select that Student Password Reset tool, or click on that link to get to a website that lets you create an account, and then that account lets you set your password to whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that link right now and show you the page that you'll get to. On this page, again, you're going to need your 8-digit code. Oh, and actually, I forgot. First, you're going to get here, and your first time you need to register. So you're not going to fill in information here like you see me with for autofill. You're going to just go ahead and register your account. And to register your account, you're going to click this continue button right where it says new user. Please get your verification code before proceeding to registration page. So I have my verification code for my teacher. All I'm going to do is click on this continue button. And then here is where I'm going to create my account. And once I've created this account, I can change my password to whatever I want. So important stuff, you want to make sure that you spell your stuff correctly for your first name and last name. So make sure if you're putting in your name, you spell Derek and Doherty correctly in that case. And then you're going to put user ID, that's your lunch code or your 6-digit user ID for the City of Boston schools. And then birth date, you see here, they're going to make you type in for the birth date. It's in the form month/day, and then 4 digits for year. So I'm February 11th, 1986. So I'd do 02 for the month. That's the month of February, 02. Then the day, 11, and then 1986. If you had something like a birthday on February 4th, you would type 04. You would want to make sure that you type 04 there, rather than just 4, because again, they want 2 digits for month, 2 digits for day, and then 4 digits for the year that you were born in. Final thing you need is the verification code. This is that 8-digit code that your teacher would have provided to you. And then that 8-digit code proves to this website, hey, you're definitely the student. You should be allowed to change the password to something new. You hit continue right here, and then once you hit that, you have your account created, and you're going to be able to change your password to whatever you want. If that doesn't work, if you have issues or questions, please feel free to reach out to me by email or GChat. You can reach me on email or Google Chat. That's Google Hangouts to some of you at ddoherty3. And like every teacher, I'm at bostonpublicschools.org. Have a good day, and good luck with resetting the password.